Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm sharing a very amazing and very delicious Indian dessert. It's Gajar ka Halwa. So just let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious and yummy Gajar ka Halwa. 500 grams of grated carrots, some raisins and some almonds chopped, few green cardamoms. You can use any dry fruits of your choice. 500 ml of full cream milk, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of mawa or khoya, 5 to 6 tablespoons of pure ghee. Heat a wok, kadai or pan, whatever you're making the halwa in. Add in 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. Now add all the dry fruits. Saute this till they get nice golden color. Alright, our nuts have nicely browned, so I'm going to remove it onto a plate. And just keep this aside. So into the same pan, add the milk. Let the milk boil. Alright, the milk has started to boil. Now we'll add the carrots. Mix this up, and now we'll allow the carrots to cook in the milk. While this is cooking, we'll add in the cardamoms. I've cracked them. So just crack the cardamoms, open them and add to it. If you want, you can add elaichi powder also. So just mix it up. Now cook this till the milk starts to reduce. After 10 minutes you will see that the milk has reduced. So now what we'll do is we'll add our sugar. Okay. Give it a mix. And let the sugar dissolve. You'll see that it will turn watery again. Just keep scraping the sides of the pan. Okay, now you'll see that it's become thin, liquidy. So now we'll add our mawa. Okay. Give it a nice mix. Now we'll wait for this to reduce and let it dry up a bit. This will take around 10 minutes more. Alright, all the milk, mawa and sugar has all dried up. So now we'll add in our ghee. And the dry fruits. I'm going to keep some for the garnishing. So just mix it nicely. So cook this on high flame till you see that the ghee leaves the side of the pans, okay? Alright, as you can see, it's drying up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this Cover this and cook it on low flame for 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, I'm going to check on the halwa. It's looking yum. And as you can see, it's all done. And you can see that it's leaving the sides of the pan and it's all done. There you go, my gajar ka halwa is all done. It's very amazing and delicious. So do try it and let me know how it came out. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.